Wish your Redmi A3 could stop showing ads every 5 seconds? You're about to make it happen. Step 1. Open your settings. Think of it as your phone's control room. Dive into passwords and security and tap Authorization and Revocation. Find MSA. That's the secret ad switch. Flip it off. If it asks you to wait, grab a snack. It'll finish soon. Next, let's shut down those ad recommendations. Go back, hit Privacy, then Ad Services, and turn off personalized ad recommendations. No more ads tracking your every move. Now, let's talk apps. Head to Settings, then Apps, and then System Apps. Spot Get Apps, My Browser, or any app you don't need. Disable or uninstall them if you can. Inside apps like Security, My Browser, and My Video Player, look for settings called Recommendations and switch them off. For bonus points, set up a private DNS in your Wi-Fi settings for global ad blocking. No more distractions. Just you and your Redmi A3, finally ad-free.